Hotpoint washing machine, which unfortunately the door lock was broken on the washing machine door, and today I'm just making a short video on how to replace this manually. You can order the spares from eSpares. They fairly reasonable pricing, a bit iffy on the delivery, but they did a next day delivery for $6.99. So the parts arrived, and this morning I'll be trying to fix it. In this video I'll show you how to go about it. Also I'll show the parts that I've ordered and some of the broken bits and bobs. As you can see, the door handle no longer pushes this back to release it from the lock. Furthermore, what you'll also observe is that the lock has dropped from these holes that you see here. So we have to get to the back of this and try and see, and if just a made up solution to see if we can salvage it back. That's the brand new or spare part that's come for the door. So I'm going to try and see if I can put that all together and get this working again. While doing this, we've got to make sure that the water mains to the inlet is turned off, which I didn't do initially. Therefore, I've got to also replace the pipe that goes into the water main into the back of the washing machine, which also I will be doing now today. And make sure, one of the advice that they say is, because it's a washing machine, make sure your electricity is turned off, and you're wearing shoes, so that, as you know, water is a conductor of electricity. So just to be on the safe side, we've got everything Like I mentioned, I'll be also changing the main pipe, the water inlet pipe that goes into the washing machine, which is, I've got the old one here, and I also ordered a new one. In order for us to now access the inner trim of the door, we have to get it's better to take the door off the hinge, and then we've got to take off this fascia cover through a couple of screws that are around there, and then we should have a look again. Taking the old part out now. This can be easily slotted out. It's coming from these grooves, so you can pull it out. Now if we put together the new part. So basically the spring, enter one end, your latch in there, and now we have to assemble it in here. It's done. Put it on. Hope it will work now. And the only way to know that is when we try it out. We can see now the door is fully functional. I've got to put it back now. So door is now done, but as part of when I took it off, we also lost the door latch. So that's the next thing to try and do some job out of it. So that's what I'm going to do next. In order to do that, there is a steel rim that goes on the outside and we're trying to take it off, which will help us to remove the seal. That's the steel ring, which will allow us to open this up tiny bit. So you can see this is the latch, and this needs to go sit on here. It's got two bits on here, but it was done by glue, so I'm just gonna try and glue it or tape it, something of that sort. This. To do that, I'm going to just use some duct tape. Just hold it on there. So yeah, so now we leave it at that. Now we've got to put the seal back in. and it's back up and running now. So thank you for watching. I hope it will inspire people to do their own mini repairs if you can. Also helps you learn a bit about how things work. Have a good day. Bye bye.